Hello, and welcome back to your daily speaking practice. It is great that you are here. In this video, you will learn English for the restaurant. You will practice important sentences for everyday life. With these lines, you can order food or pay the check. We will use the shadowing method again. I will say each sentence slowly and clearly. Then I will pause, and you repeat it out loud. This will build confidence and help you speak English naturally. We skip grammar and use real lines from real moments. Speak loudly. Take your time. And do not fear mistakes. With every line, you will get better. So listen closely and repeat after me. Are you ready? Hi, do you have a free table? Hello, do you have a free table? I need a table for 2 people. I need a table for 2 people. I have a reservation. I have a reservation. The reservation is under the name Miller. The reservation is under the name Miller. My girlfriend is coming soon, too. My girlfriend is coming soon, too. Can we get a table outside? Can we get a table outside? The table is perfect. The table is perfect. I like to sit outside. I like to sit outside. There are too many people inside. There are too many people inside. Could you give me the menu? Could you give me the menu? I would like to order something to drink. I would like to order something to drink. I'd like a coffee, please. I'd like a coffee, please. My girlfriend would like a cappuccino. My girlfriend would like a cappuccino. She'd like the cappuccino without sugar, please. I'd like the cappuccino without sugar, please. Do you have low-fat milk, too? Do you have low-fat milk, too? I can only drink low-fat milk. I can only drink low-fat milk. Can we get a glass of water, too? Can we get a glass of water, too? Yes, tap water is fine, too. Yes, tap water is fine, too. But please, no ice. But please, no ice. How long will it take, roughly? How long will it take, roughly? No problem, we'll wait a moment. No problem, we'll wait a moment. I am looking at the menu. I am looking at the menu. I'd like something to eat too. I'd like something to eat too. I'd like a croissant, please. I'd like a croissant, please. My girlfriend would like a piece of cake. My girlfriend would like a piece of cake. Which cake do you recommend? Which cake do you recommend? The chocolate cake sounds good. The chocolate cake sounds good. Then I'll take the chocolate cake. Then I'll take the chocolate cake. Can we get 2 forks too? Can we get 2 forks too? And 2 napkins, please. And 2 napkins, please. Thank you. Thank you. That looks very tasty. That looks very tasty. The coffee tastes good. The coffee tastes good. We will stay a little longer. We will stay a little longer. I'm really hungry now. I'm really hungry now. Do you have hot food too? Do you have hot food too? What do you recommend for lunch? What do you recommend for lunch? Do you have vegetarian dishes too? Do you have vegetarian dishes too? I don't eat meat. I don't eat meat. Do you have something without meat? Do you have something without meat? What is especially good today? What is especially good today? That sounds tasty. That sounds tasty. What is in this dish? What is in this dish? Is the food spicy? Is the food spicy? I don't like it too spicy. I don't like it too spicy. Then I'll take this dish. Then I'll take this dish. I'd like the pasta, please. I'd like the pasta, please. With vegetables, please. With vegetables, please. No onions, please. No onions, please. Can you adjust that? Can you adjust that? Thank you, that's very kind. Thank you, that's very kind. My girlfriend will have the salad. My girlfriend will have the salad. With dressing on the side, please. With dressing on the side, please. Can we also get some bread with that? Can we also get some bread with that? And some olive oil, please. And some olive oil, please. How long will the food take? How long will the food take? No problem, we have time. No problem, we have time. The food looks very good. The food looks very good. It smells very good. It smells very good. This tastes really good. This tastes really good. I am very satisfied. I am very satisfied. The food was excellent. The food was excellent. Excuse me, I have a quick question. Excuse me, I have a quick question. I think this is not my food. I think this isn't my food. I ordered something else. I ordered something else. That is not the dish I wanted. That is not the dish I wanted. I ordered it without meat. I ordered it without meat. There is meat in here. There is meat in here. Could you please change that? Could you please change that? That's no problem, thank you. That's no problem, thank you. I can wait a moment. I can wait a moment. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for understanding. Could we get the check, please? Could we get the check, please? I'd like to pay now. I'd like to pay now. We want to pay together. We want to pay together. We want to pay separately. We want to pay separately. How much is that in total? How much is that in total? Is the price correct? Is the price correct? Can I pay with a card? Can I pay with a card? Do you accept credit cards too? Do you accept credit cards too? I will pay cash. I will pay cash. Do you have change? Do you have change? Keep the change, thank you. Keep the change, thank you. The tip is for you. The tip is for you. Thank you for the good service. Thank you for the good service. Everything was very good. Everything was very good. The food tasted very good. The food tasted very good. We were very satisfied. We were very satisfied. Can we pay here at the table? Can we pay here at the table? Or should we pay at the counter? Or should we pay at the register? Thank you for the friendly service. Thank you for the friendly service. Everything was very good today. Everything was very good today. The food and drinks were excellent. The food and drinks were excellent. We felt very comfortable here. We felt very comfortable here. The team was very friendly. The team was very friendly. Have you worked here long? Have you worked here long? How big is your team? How big is your team? We'd love to come back. We'd love to come back. We will recommend this cafe. We recommend this cafe. Have a nice day and see you soon. Have a nice day and see you soon. Thank you for speaking with me today. You saw how you can use English in a cafe and in a restaurant. Every sentence you spoke makes you more confident. If you liked this video, please give it a like and leave a comment. Tell me if you have ever ordered in English in a cafe and how it was. Subscribe to the channel if you want to keep speaking English and feel stronger. Come back, watch the video again, and practice the lines. Thanks for being here, and see you in the next video.